Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Thanks for stopping by. Today I thought I would take you along as I show you the event that I attended on November 6th, 2022. It was called the Great Southwest Rubber Stamp Fall Fiesta in Mesa, Arizona. The venue was small. It had only a handful of vendors, but we had a really good time looking around and checking out all of the amazing stamps that are out there.
I don't know if you heard, but all the stuff, the red dot stuff is 50% off.
We did the washi tape Christmas cards one year.
Oh my gosh. Look at that Santa. Do you remember that Stampin' Up set that they used to have like that?
Yes.
The Halloween is my absolute favorite.
They're all cute. Yeah. Susie Zoo.
Yes, that's it.
Yeah.
That's what they are.
They're really similar to those.
Actually,
It's a funny item. No, I've seen it. It's a beautiful effect, but that's all I can tell you.
holiday is my absolute favorite. Like holiday.
It's a really neat dies punching stuff out.